This episode tackles the long-standing belief that cracking knuckles causes arthritis. Historically, the habit spread through 19th century medical lore, but modern studies show the pop is cavitation in the fluid, not cartilage wear. Longitudinal research finds no increased risk of osteoarthritis among regular crackers, though overdoing it can irritate tendons and reduce grip. Rheumatologists explain the sound is harmless cavitation and unrelated to future joint disease, while experts urge moderation. By testing folklore against peer-reviewed data, the episode invites curiosity and encourages critical thinking for viewers to apply science in everyday choices.